Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're finally unboxing some artisans from KeyCravings. What I'm unboxing today is from his GMK Arch collaboration. A while back, I asked for his permission to make an unboxing video, and he said he'd throw in some goodies. I paid for Arch Pac-Man, and as you can see, he definitely threw in way more than what I deserved. So thank you so much, KeyCravings. With that out of the way, the first thing I want to comment on is this packaging. This has to be the softest and thickest foam I've seen an Artisan Keycap shipped with. It honestly makes my packaging look really janky. This is super secure, super nice, probably really expensive too. There's probably little chance any of his keycaps will break during shipping. Also, the Haribo gummy bears, super nice touch. So getting into the actual contents now. So honestly, I went in pretty blind. I didn't know what to expect. And honestly, I was blown away by these little cases that he's made for each of the keycaps. I think they're 3D printed and they each have their own hinge. So they actually open up. Everything in the inside is really well packaged and presented. We have our sticker, our ID card, and the actual keycap itself. The keycap looks mounted, but it's not. It's pretty loosely attached to the case, which is a nice touch because I know some people are sensitive to not having their keycaps mounted. Looking more closely at the Uruk-Key, I think I'm most impressed by the stem actually. All of the walls have really good details and the stem isn't even a cylinder. It has a nice pattern to it that I think looks really good. Likewise, the face looks really good. Lots of detail and super clean casting. All in all, I'm super content with my purchase. But as you know, he sent a lot of extras, so let's take a look at those. Here we have the Arch Kernel colorway, and it looks just as great as the last one. Though I think I do prefer Arch Pac-Man since the teeth stand out a bit more from the body color. And of course, this part still looks awesome. I like how the colors are different for each colorway. The last two we have here are the Mono series, so they're just single shot. They come in much simpler packaging, which is fair because the price of these are actually much lower than the multi-shot keycaps. And to be fair, even though it is simpler, it is still really cool. So I think the intention with these are that you're supposed to be able to paint them yourself and come up with your own custom Uruk-Key. If you're into painting miniatures, then I'm sure this would be a really cool option for you. So overall, this was a great mail day, and thanks KeyCravings for all the extras that you threw in with my purchase. For those of you watching, if you liked what you saw, I'll throw in links to KeyCravings' Instagram and website down below in the description. Also, let me know what you thought of this unboxing video. This will be the first of hopefully many artisan unboxings on my channel. So definitely let me know if there's improvements I can make in future videos. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later.